Alright, Celtics faithful and NBA aficionados. We've got a seismic shift happening in Boston, and we need to really unpack the magnitude of this $6.1 billion Celtics sale. Let's not just skim the surface. We're diving deep into what this means for the team, the league, and the future of basketball ownership. This isn't just another team changing hands. This is history in the making. $6.1 billion makes the Boston Celtics the most expensive North American sports franchise ever sold. Think about that for a moment. We're talking about a price tag that could fund a small country. This sale isn't just a financial transaction. It's a landmark moment that reflects the immense value and cultural significance of a franchise like the Celtics. Now, let's get to know the man who's writing that massive check, Bill Chisholm, the co-founder of Symphony Technology Group. The article tells us they deal with data, software, and analytics ventures. In today's world, that's where the real power lies. These private equity firms aren't just throwing money around. They're making calculated investments based on data and future potential. Symphony Technology Group has a portfolio of companies across various sectors, indicating a sophisticated understanding of business and growth. Chisholm himself has a background with prestigious firms like Bain & Company and PaineWebber, suggesting a sharp financial mind. This isn't just a wealthy fan buying a toy. This seems like a strategic acquisition by a seasoned investor. We need to consider what kind of approach a data-driven private equity firm might bring to running a basketball team. Will they focus heavily on analytics in player development and game strategy? Will they look for new ways to monetize the fan experience through technology? It's a fascinating angle to consider. The Grousbeck family's tenure has been a successful one, no doubt. Buying the team for $360 million and selling it for $6.1 billion is an astounding return. But beyond the financial gains, they brought 2 championships to Boston, cementing their place in Celtics history. Think about those iconic moments. The banners raised to the rafters. They fostered a culture of winning and connected with the passionate Celtics fanbase. WYC Grousbeck, in particular, became a recognizable and respected figure in the Boston sports scene. His decision to stay on as CEO and governor for the next 3 years provides a crucial bridge between the old and new ownership. It suggests a smooth transition and a desire to maintain the team's established culture and winning tradition. This isn't a complete overhaul, it's more of a strategic evolution. Why $6.1 billion? What makes the Celtics so incredibly valuable? Firstly, it's the brand. The Boston Celtics are one of the most iconic and successful franchises in all of sports. With a rich history and a global fanbase, that kind of legacy is priceless. Secondly, the Boston market is a major media hub with a passionate and dedicated fanbase willing to support their teams. Thirdly, the NBA itself is a thriving global league with lucrative media deals and growing international appeal. The value of NBA franchises has been steadily climbing for years, and this sale reflects that trend. Finally, the current economic climate and the availability of investment capital likely played a role. Private equity firms are always looking for strong investment opportunities, and a blue-chip sports franchise like the Celtics is about as solid as it gets. While Chisholm has emphasized winning and raising banners, there will inevitably be some changes under new ownership. Will they invest even more heavily in player development and scouting? Will they explore new avenues for revenue generation, perhaps through technology or international partnerships? Will their data-driven approach influence personnel decisions? These are all questions that Celtics fans will be eagerly watching unfold. Chisholm's background suggests a focus on long-term growth and sustainability, which could be a positive for the franchise. The sale of the Celtics is part of a growing trend of private equity firms investing in professional sports teams. We've seen similar moves in other leagues, with these firms recognizing the potential for strong returns and the prestige associated with owning a major sports franchise. This influx of institutional money can bring greater financial stability and resources to teams. But it also raises questions about the long-term impact on the fan experience and the traditional ownership model. Will these firms prioritize profits above all else? It's a debate that's likely to continue as more private equity groups enter the sports ownership arena. While the 2 championships are the obvious highlights of the Grousbeck era, their contributions go beyond just on-court success. They fostered a strong connection with the Boston community, investing in local initiatives and making the Celtics a true civic institution. They also oversaw significant improvements to the fan experience at TD Garden. Their tenure was marked by a commitment to both winning and being a positive force in the city. This legacy will undoubtedly be a foundation for Bill Chisholm to build upon. This $6.1 billion sale is a powerful statement about the financial health and future prospects of the NBA. It demonstrates the league's ability to attract massive investment and its continued growth in popularity and value. Commissioner Adam Silver and the league office have done a remarkable job of expanding the NBA's global reach and securing lucrative media deals, which have directly contributed to the soaring valuations of its franchises. This sale is a testament to that success. The sale of the Boston Celtics for a record-breaking $6.1 billion marks a new chapter in the team's storied history. With a passionate local fan at the helm in Bill Chisholm and the continued guidance of WYC Grousbeck, the future looks bright for the Celtics. This deal is more than just a business transaction. It's a reflection of the enduring power and value of a legendary sports franchise. What are your predictions for the Celtics under new ownership? Do you think this record sale will impact other NBA team valuations? Let's hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates and in-depth analysis from the world of sports. What's up, hoops heads? Get ready for some huge news out of Boston. The Celtics, one of the most iconic franchises in NBA history, are officially under new ownership. The team has been sold to a group led by Bill Chisholm, the co-founder of Symphony Technology Group, and the price tag? A record-shattering $6.1 billion. That's right, folks, we're talking serious money. This sale blows the previous record for a North American sports franchise out of the water. That was the Washington Commanders at $6.05 billion. So, the Celtics are officially the most expensive team on the continent. The current majority owner, WYC Grousbeck, confirmed the sale and had nothing but praise for the incoming owner, calling Chisholm a terrific person and a true Celtics fan, who was born and raised here in the Boston area. Grousbeck will even stick around for the next 3 years as CEO and governor, staying on as Chisholm's partner. Sounds like a smooth transition. So, who is this Bill Chisholm guy dropping over $6 billion on a basketball team? He's the co-founder of a private equity firm that deals with data, software, and analytics. He's also apparently a die-hard Celtics fan who's ready to win and raise banners, both in the near and long term. That's exactly what Celtics fans want to hear. He's even been chatting with coach Brad Stevens to align their goals. The sale still needs the official thumbs up from the NBA's Board of Governors, but that's expected to be a formality. This news comes about 9 months after Grousbeck first announced he was considering selling the team, just weeks after they won the 2024 NBA Finals. Not a bad time to cash in, right? Grousbeck and his investment group bought the Celtics for a mere $360 million back in 2002. Under their watch, the team won 2 championships and made 4 finals appearances. Not a bad return on investment. So, get ready for a new era in Celtics basketball. A local boy with deep pockets and a passion for winning is taking over. What do you think about this massive sale? Head down to the comments and share your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more NBA news. We'll see you on the court.